Adab, salam, namaste, sat shri akal dosto. Welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make AYAMASE style Cajun chicken with bell pepper. It's so yummy, delicious and tasty. I hope you're gonna love this. And guys, if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna really appreciate for that. Thank you. Ciao. Cajun spices, farmer, chicken drumstick. Almost 2 tablespoons Cajun spices. Palm oil. Okay, I'm going to set aside for at least half an hour, then I'll do the another job. For the tempering, I'm going to use salt, oregano, thyme, ginger powder, chili flakes, bell pepper, onion, garlic, chili, bell pepper. So we're going to use some tomato sauce and cilantro.
Same. By the way, you can find the full ingredients in the description box below.
After 1 hour, the chicken is perfectly marinated. Oven is preheated on 380 Fahrenheit. I'm going to let it roast for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Then I'm going to come back. Palm oil, almost 3-4 tablespoons. And we're gonna let it heat up until wisps of smoke. Palm oil is ready to use now. Then garlic. Adding some salt. On high heat, I'm gonna let it simmer for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back. After 15 minutes on medium to high heat, the onion is perfectly built up. Believe me guys, it's not overcooked. It's a perfect tomato sauce. Mix it over. Oregano, thyme, ginger powder, chili powder, salt, suitable. I'll let it cook for another 2 minutes. Let's check after 15 minutes, right? Perfect. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add bell pepper, julienne, onion, chili, everything. Let's go. Chicken is perfectly done. After 1 minute, chicken. Some fresh lime. Yes. Turn off it.